Welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Chrome OS Flex in your laptop or PC. So first of all we need to download the ISO file of this Chrome OS Flex. So we'll have to select this. I will give the link on the description box. Now you have to download the latest version of this ISO file. So we have to wait for some time to finish the download. It will take some time, so we have to wait for some time. Just waiting for the download to finish. So we have almost done finishing download. Now we need a software named Rufus. We all know about this. uh, so we have to download Rufus latest version from here. This is the original website. So we have to go down and we have to select the latest version, so we have to click on it. uh, so we have finished the download. Now we need to go to the download folder. So we have to open the download folder here. So as you can see there is a file, ISO file and Rufus there. So we have to open the file and we have to connect a pen drive. We need at least 8 GB of pen drive. So we have to connect the pen drive in our USB section of the laptop. Then we have to select the ISO file on start. Now it will take some time to make a bootable USB pen drive for Chrome OS Flex, so we have to wait for some time. So we have almost done making a bootable USB pen drive for Chrome OS Flex. So we have to wait for some time to finish it. So now we have to restart our laptop. We need to go to the BIOS and turn off the secure boot option. So we have to restart our laptop. Now you have to press the BIOS key. It varies in different laptops. So in my laptop it is F10. So we have to click on F10 when it restart. So as you can see, we have successfully entered our BIOS. Now we have to go to secure boot option. So as you can see, our secure boot option is already disabled. So we don't need to do anything. If you don't have, if your secure boot is enabled, please make it disabled. Now you have to press on the boot key. Here in HP F9 is the boot key. So we have to press the F9 when it restart. So as you can see in the second there is the bootable pen drive. So you have to click on it. So here as you can see the bootable pen drive has run Chrome OS Flex. So we have to install on this laptop. It is not installed yet. So as you can see there is a two option. You can use it in bootable pen drive and you can use it as a portable Chrome Flex, but we'll install this in our laptop. So you have to click on the first option, then we have to click on install. Now it will take some time. It will take some time for 20 minutes. It takes to install the Chrome OS, so we have to wait for some time. So as you can see, the installation has completed. Now you have to wait for some. There will be a option to enter the Chrome OS. So it will take a restart. We need to remove the portable USB. Now it will restart and it will run in the hard disk of my laptop. So as you can see, Chrome OS Flex has successfully run in our laptop. So it will take some time for boot up. So we'll finish the setup. So we need to wait for some time. Now you will see there is option get started. Now you have to click on get started. Now you have to connect your Wi-Fi because you need it will give you option to sign in your Google account, or you can also run this as a guest. So I'll connect my Wi-Fi from here. I'll give the password of my Wi-Fi and connect it. So as you can see, getting the device ready. So it will give you option to sign in with your Gmail account to run this, or you can also run this as a guest. So I'll click here and run this as a guest. So I will accept the terms and condition. So as you can see, we have successfully installed the Chrome OS in our laptop. So if we open Google Chrome from here, we can browse anything like a Windows. So we can go to YouTube, as you can see. So I can go to my channel Tech HD to see whether it is working or not, and we can play one or two videos. So as you can see, uh, we can do anything like Windows from here. We can run videos. So we have successfully installed Chrome OS in our laptop. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.